Hi friends, good morning. Today I am crossway of Kulagokaranath Sokshura. I have just met a girl. I am showing you. Hello girl, what is your name? Okay. Are you graduated? No. Would you like tea? Tea? Do you know tea?
Do you know want to tea?
You would like tea?
Something like tea.
Something. This man is not giving you tea.
This man is a hooklet. Past night today he play.
Yeah.
Passing a boy tonight past night.
Yeah.
Distributing.
Come on. I will make you tea. Make you. Come on. Yeah. You will tea. You will tea.